which is so healthy and so good.
Making things that you eat yourself will help your skin get better and recover faster. So in this video, I'll be making coconut flakes. Coconut flakes is very good for the skin and the hair. The healthy fats in dry coconut can provide nourishment and moisture to both the skin and hair, and it's a popular ingredient for making cosmetic beauty products. Coconut also contains antioxidants that may help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. It means you rarely get acne, hyperpigmentation and dark spots, and that is only when you make it yourself, because you don't know what all these store-bought put into their own. I had mine with oats, and that's all. Bye.